Stop waiting for paychecks. I'm about to show you 3 apps that put cash in your account the same day you work. I've used these myself. One paid me $150 in 2 hours. And app number 3 is the Sleeper. Look at this deposit. I'm making more money and finding great clients using Thumbtack, TaskRabbit, and AllBetter. Let's go. Hi, I'm SharonB, and welcome to Life by SharonB. Find thousands of available jobs like TV mounting and interior painting with new posts daily. Get back. We've just issued a low competition alert that you need to see.
These aren't fake survey sites or apps that take forever to pay. These are real platforms people like me are using to make fast money starting the same day.
Need help around the house? Find trusted local taskers for furniture assembly, mounting, and quick fixes right now.
Let's talk about
Often
TaskRabbit.
available
If you
same
can build,
day.
fix, or assemble, this app books fast, but here's the hack that most people skip. Turn on Instant Book. Then set premium pricing for same day or evening time slots. You can literally double your rate just by offering faster service. Next, AllBetter connects homeowners with handy people, simple, low competition, fast bookings, and secure payments. I recommend stacking this with Thumbtack or TaskRabbit so you always have work waiting and can cherry pick the best paying gigs.
Fast bookings, and secure payments. It's the best platform for home repair pros. AllBetter is rapidly expanding across the U.S., and we're proud to highlight our new listings in Montgomery, Alabama.
Here's why smaller markets like Montgomery, Huntsville, and Mobile are gold. Less competition means more chances for you to show up first. That means easier bookings, faster jobs, and more consistent cash flow. This is where most people miss their shot, but it's exactly where you can win big.
As you can see from these projections, the opportunity for growth is significant. I'm very excited about the direction we're heading. It's a bold step forward for the brand. But if your city is crowded, wait for app #3.
These aren't fake survey sites or apps that take forever to pay. These are real platforms people like me are using to make fast money starting the same day. I still remember the first time I used Thumbtack. I picked up
My first job through Thumbtack. $85 in 45 minutes. It feels amazing.
the final app.humbtack. This is my #1 pick for handyman work. You can charge professional rates for TV mounting, shelves, painting, and small repairs. Jobs pop up daily. And the best part is, you set your own price. It's one of the fastest payout platforms I've ever used. Here's the pro tip.
The economic landscape is shifting rapidly. If your portfolio isn't positioned correctly, you risk being left behind.
Before you even accept your first job, take 5 minutes to clean up your profile, add a professional photo, write one short line about what you do best, and make sure your payout method is linked. That one step can save you days of waiting for your first payment.
Yes, this is a scam alert. But remember, never share your personal information with unsolicited callers or texts.
Quick heads up, real apps don't charge you to get work. If something asks you to pay just to accept a job, it's a scam. Stick with verified platforms like these and protect both your time and your money.
Watch out for scams. Stack 2-3 apps so work is always waiting. Then, cherry pick the best paying jobs. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and click here to watch the next one.